0, 1. Let's get started.
Hello guys! So ngayon ay nasa STEX kami. Hindi, joke lang. So nandito, yeah, picture lang na muna kami.
Hindi ko makita.
Ayan. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3. Ayan.
Yeah, picture muna. So hulaan nyo kung nasan kami. So we are, oh, one more. Yeah. Daming picture. Alright, so alam niyo na kung nasa kami. Yan, nandito lang naman kami sa South Dakota. Yan. So nandito kami para mamasyal dahil Sunday ngayon, araw ng gala. Dapat kahapon ang punta namin, kaya lang merong warning ng snowstorm at blizzard. So naging Sunday to, kinabukasan tuloy kami nakabiyahe. So ayan, South Dakota, here we comes. Hindi nga lang kami makakapunta pa sa Mount Rushmore, pero soon pupunta kami dyan. Sa ngayon, pasyal-pasyal muna sa pinakamalapit na city sa South Dakota, which is the Sioux Falls. Ayan. Ayan. So, yee! First time namin lumabas sa Minnesota. So, nasa ibang state na kami. Sa South Dakota State. Ayan. Pero I'm pretty sure na may mga Pinoy din dito sa South Dakota. Kasi may namit ako nung visa interview ko na Pilipina na doon nagtuturo sa dito nagtuturo sa South Dakota. Alright. First experience of going out of Minnesota State. Welcome to South Dakota. Ayan. So, ito ang pinaka-expressway nila rito. Ayan. Kanina sinubukan kong mag-video nung dinadaanan namin. Hindi ako maka-video ng maayos kasi medyo malabo. Kasi ang daming, ayan, mapapansin nyo may mga ano dito, windmill. So yung windmill sa Ilocos at ang windmill sa Rizal ay wala. No match sa windmill dito. Although yung windmill natin dyan sa Pinas matataas, dito ang windmill dito mabababa, pero napakarami, siguro hundreds yung mga windmill na nandito. Ayan, ang dami. Alright, so alis na kami. Ako na lang pala inaantay. So see you na lang mamaya sa kung saan kami pupunta. Bye-bye. And now ay nandito kami sa, wala pala dito. Pagkatapos naming Chumibog, nandito naman kami sa Costco. So sinubukan namin bumili, pero hindi kami nanalo. Wala kaming pambayad. Ayan. So yun yung mga pinamili namin. Ay! Kaya ayokong pupunta sa mga ganito, napapagastos. Pero hindi, konti lang naman yung pinabili na, mga ano lang, dessert lang, pastry. Pero yeah, sayang nandito na naman ako or nandito naman na kami. But yun. Enjoy lang. So bye Costco, see you next time. So, pagkatapos namin sa Costco, nagpunta naman kami sa Sam's Club. Pagkatapos namin maglakad-lakad sa Sam's Club, so dito na kami ngayon sa The Falls. Sioux Falls, the falls. So kung ano meron dito, ayan, tada! It's a beautiful it's a beautiful view. Ayan. Sikat ng araw. So it's a beautiful view. Ayan, lalakad kami papunta dito. Ayan. Pupunta kami dito sa May Falls. Ayan lang, kailangan ko mag-focus sa nilalakar ko. Baka ako'y magsemplang. Kakahiya. There's a lot of people here, especially Americans. And yeah, you can see small falls, and then in their background you will see buildings like that. Boom. There's the falls, and then a building, and then the overpass. No, it's not an overpass. It's a train rail, or yeah, that's it. All right, so yeah, this is what we drive here for. It's a long ride. It's about a 2.5 hour drive from our place just to go here. So we crossed the interstate expressways. And yeah, this is it, from Minnesota to South Dakota. Sioux Falls, the falls. All right. Whew. Yeah, it's a beautiful, very, very beautiful view and beautiful structure. You can see there, and you can also see, backhoe there, backhoe. I don't know why are they here, why are those there. So this is the closest that we can get here in the water. Oh, sorry. Pinipicturean pala ng aming kasamahan. So yeah, syempre hindi ako papayag na wala akong picture dito. So we will just take pictures while there's still few people around here. So okay, so naglakad-lakad na kami. Napakaganda dito. Medyo lumalamig na nga lang yung hangin. Ayan, medyo namumula-mula na yung ilong ko. Ayan pa yung mga pwede mong makita dito. Woo! May falls na banda doon. Meron din dito at meron din pa doon. Ayun, meron pa doon pala. Meron pa doon. Banda dito. Ayan. So lucky for us, hindi pa ganun kataas yung mga tubig. Kasi usually daw talagang umaabot siya dito. Yan, umaabot siya dito. Pati doon sa parking area. Isa daw umaabot doon. Eh gaano kataas yan? Sobrang taas yan. Yan, ito. Yan, sobrang taas yan. Ang layo namin sa baba. Yan, tingnan nyo. Ayan, sa video parang mababaw lang siya, pero hindi ka bubuhayin pag tumalong ka dyan. Alright, so lakad kami dito sa mga trail na meron dito. Gandang pasyalan. Hindi nga lang kalapitan kasi malayong biyahe. Kasi dito yung milyahe na tinatakbo ng 2.5 hours. Parang ano na yun, Laguna to Bulacan. Ganun yung layo niya. Sa loob ng 2.5 hours kasi ang minimum na takbuhan dito ay 60 miles per hour. So hindi ko sure parang makakita ng 100 plus yun, 100 plus kilometers per hour. So ganun kabilis yung takbuhan ng mga sasakyan dito, lalo na sa freeways tsaka sa interstate highway. So yun, sa ganun kalayo yung binahe namin para lang makakita ng ganitong klase ng o diba? Ang saya. So ayan, nandito kami ngayon, bababa kami. Mga puno, wala pang mga dahon, pero sabi nung American friend namin dito na kapag may nagpakita na ibon na robin, so it means na mag-start ng spring. So yan, alam na natin kung kailan mag-start ang spring. Oh, yung mga ducks. Yeah. So yung duck dito ay yung ulo niya ano, kulay green. But dyan sa atin sa Victoria, Laguna, medyo brown lang madalas. It's either light brown or dark brown or just brown. And we call it itik. And that's where Kinulub is made out of. And of course it is the producer, the itik is the producer of itlog na maalat in in Victoria, Laguna. Wow, slang. Si Raul. Alright, so we are now here near the other falls because it's a continuous water falling. Yan, dito tayo sa may balcony nga ba ito? Baklang to. Yeah, this is another falls that you can see here. So beautiful. Yeah, it's a little taller than the first one above. Yeah. And that. Look at it, everybody. It's so beautiful. Look at that. That's why it's good to go here. Meron pang maliit doon, ah. Wow! O, diba? Okay. Update you later. Alright, so pagkatapos natin dun sa mga falls na yan. Teka lang. Dito naman tayo sa ruined castle sa may itaas ng falls. Maganda din. So it's Hive of the Queen City. Yeah. So this is what it looks like from the outside. So it has a fence, so nobody can go in and do something bad inside. Yeah, I think there's a connection between this and the falls down. So that's the story there, the summary of the connection of this ruined castle down the falls. You just search it. So again, it's the hive of the Queen City. That's this I don't know, building or castle is called. So go onto your library or Google and search it. So we're still here in the falls and trying to walk around this park because it's very beautiful, and while the sun is still giving us the golden hour of lights. Yeah, natural lights. That's why you can see my face is a little smooth. Smooth criminal. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, the light is against us, so what can you say now about our trip today?
Enjoy.
Enjoy. That's it.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah,
And
you should be. Because we never it never comes into our mind that we're going to be here, even in our dreams. Not a bit, but we're here. Lord is number one. Woo! And this is the side outside the ruined building. See? Yeah. Woo! Very beautiful. And there's always a story behind it. Why is it still standing there even though it is, most of it is ruined? But yeah, still beautiful to see this kind of structures, buildings still standing, because it has a big part of a history in this city, Sioux Falls City. Ooh. It's getting cold, but yeah, it's natural because there's a lot of winds here. It's a beautiful park. It's a beautiful park. Woo! Nice. Yeah. What time is it? Oh, it's almost. As you can see, the sun's still up, but the time is almost 7 p.m. So that's what happened if we have a daylight saving. Yeah, it's the light is longer than nights, or days are longer than nights. So even though it's bright outside, if you see the clock or your watch, it will be late. It will be 7 or 8, and even sometimes even 9 p.m. is still bright. Woo. So update ko kayo later. Bye. Alright, so nandito kami sa expressway or interstate expressways, and we have a chance to take a picture in a map of Minnesota before the light goes off, and I hope that we will not experience getting bitten by a snake here because it's a little bushy and it's a little cold, so yeah, I think we're a little safe. Yeah, and now I'm walking upward just to get here. Yeah, that's the map of Minnesota. Well, it's not telling us the exact locations of every city, but it is the symbol of the whole map. Look. Yeah. All right, and we are in the interstate. Yeah, this is where we're going, and this is where we came from. Yeah. All right, and it's getting cold. I can feel it, and you can see it in my nose. My nose is getting a little reddish. So we're just going to take a picture. Ooh, my head is on fire.